eBay don't fail me now. Okay, I gotta find this Thomas the Train, and then I can finally put this crying to an end. All right, type it in. Blue Thomas Train. All right, enter. What? $100 for a stupid toy train? God, that's expensive. Bowser's money, whatever, I don't care. All right, I'll bet 101. I'm gonna get this toy. Wait, 102? Wait, who bet that? I said 17. Well, I'll bet 103 then. Enter. 110? Well, I'll go 125. 130? Stop bidding over me, man. 145? I really need this Thomas the Train to stop. Just end it. I know you don't have $145 in your pocket. Just end it. 150? $10,000. And that's it. That's his credit limit, so I can't go any higher. That is it. This is enough for a stupid toy anyway. $10,000.